Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you, dear students? Hope all of you are good and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss about the discriminant of quadratic equation. Exercise 2.1 from Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. Dear student, discriminant actually is the tool or is the method to find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. What are roots? Dear students, when we will solve the quadratic equation and at the end when we will write the solution set, then this is known as the roots also. And there are 4 different types of nature of roots of quadratic equation. If the roots are positive and a perfect square, then the roots will be real, rational and unequal. And if the roots of the equation are not perfect square but positive, then the roots are real, irrational and unequal. Okay, we will discuss only 2 types of roots in our syllabus of today according to smart syllabus given by the government. Question number 1 is find the discriminant of the followings. In this question we will just find the discriminant, and the second question we will find the nature also. Discriminant means first of all we will write the quadratic equation. From this is the coefficient of x square is a, so this is the value of a, this is the value of b and this is the value of c, and the discriminant of the quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. This is the method or this is the formula to find the discriminant. Dear student, discriminant actually the nature of the roots depends upon the discriminant. Okay, we will write the values of b square minus 8 square minus 4, 6 and 3, 6 3s are 3 4s are 12, 12 6 are 72. So and 8, the square of 8 is 64. 64 minus 72 is minus 8. This discriminant is negative. In this case, if the discriminant is negative, then the nature of roots is the complex or imaginary number. Okay, and part number 4. 4x square minus 7x minus 2 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to minus 2. So we will find the discriminant by putting the values of the in the formula b square minus 4ac. This is the value of b is minus 7 minus 4, value of a is 4 and value of c is minus 2. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, minus minus plus 7 square is 49. So when we will add, we will get 81. 3 plus 9, 11 and 1 carry, 4 plus 4 is 8. This is the 81. Okay, my dear student, this is the discriminant and this is the perfect square. In our question number 2, find the nature of roots of the given equation and verify your result. How can we verify? First of all, we will find the discriminant, then write the nature of the root, and at the end we will put all the values in the quadratic formula and get the roots. Okay. First of all, first part is x square minus 23x plus 120 is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 23, c is equals to 120. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. First of all, we will write the value of b, which is minus 23, minus 4, value of a is 1, value of c is 120. The square of 23 is 529, minus 4 multiplied by 120 is 480. After subtracting these 2 values, we will get discriminant is 49. My dear students, you know that 49 actually is the square root of the 7. This is a complete square root, okay? Square root of 49 is 7. So the nature of the roots are real, not imaginary, because this is positive value. Roots are real, rational and unequal. Now we will verify our result. First of all, we will write the quadratic equation. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Dear students, you can see that this is the value of the discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Formula of discriminant is also b square minus 4ac. So we will put the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. We have solved this in this question in our part. So we will just write the answer of the discriminant, which is 49. Now we will take the square root of the 49 and we will get plus minus 7. Okay, 23 plus minus 7 by 2. And we have two situations, 23 plus 7 by 2, 23 minus 7 by 2. And with the help of this, we will find the value of x, which is equals to 15, and x is equals to 8. My dear student, these are the roots of the equation. Now you can observe that roots are unequal, both are real and rational. Okay, not irrational, both are the rational, unequal and real. I have written roots are real, rational and unequal. Hence we verified our result. Part number 4, 3x square plus 7x minus 13 equals to 0. Here a is equals to 3, b is equal to 7, c is equals to minus 13. So discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. First of all, write the values of b, a and c in the formula, and then 7 square is 49, minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 30 is 156. After adding these two values, we will get 205. My dear students, you can observe that 205 is not a perfect square. This is not the square root of any value, perfect square. So the roots of real but irrational. In case of when roots are perfect square, then roots are rational. When roots are not perfect square, then roots are irrational, real and unequal. So verification, again we will put the formula of quadratic equation, then put all the values in it, and you can see that 205 is not a perfect square, so our solution set will stop here. So we proved that the roots are irrational, unequal because this is positive value, this is negative value, and roots, next thing is that roots are real, not imaginary because this is positive number. Question number 4 is, find the value of k if roots of the following equation are equal. The equation is given 3k plus 2 x square minus 5 k plus 1 x plus 2k plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the values of the equation, and we will find the value of k, and the condition is that the roots are equal. My dear students, in case of roots are equal means we can put that b square minus 4ac or discriminant is equals to 0. We will suppose that discriminant is equals to 0. Here we will get the value of a, b and the value of c. And then we will put all the values of a, b and c in our discriminant formula. The negative number will be the positive in the case of the square, and the square of 5 is 25, and this is the formula k plus 1 whole square. It will become k square plus 2k plus 1 means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Minus 4, we will multiply 3k into 2k, 3 2s are 6k square, 3 3s are 9k, 2 2s are 4k, 2 3s are 6. So we will first of all we will add these two values, 9k plus 4k is 13k, and here we will remove the bracket 25k square plus 50k plus minus plus 25 ones are 25, and here we will remove the bracket and multiply all the values by 4. Minus 4 6 are 24, minus plus minus 52, minus plus minus 24. Now we will combine all the values and we will get 25k square minus 24k square equals to k square. 50k minus 52k is equals to minus 2k, and 25 minus 24, this will becomes this will becomes plus 1, not minus 1, because 25 is a positive value. So here we will change, this is plus 1, okay, this is positive value of k plus 1. It is a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will becomes dear student, since this is there is a negative value, so we will put here minus 1, again we will put here minus 1, and k minus 1 whole square is equals to, when we will take the square of on both sides, then we will get k minus 1 equals to 0, and we will find after this we will find the value of k, which is equals to 1. Okay, my dear students, now we will move to our question number 10. Question number 10 is that, show that the roots of the equation is given b minus cx square plus c minus ax plus a minus b equals to 0 are real. Here we have the value of a is b minus c, value of b is equal to c minus a, and c is equals to a minus b. And since the roots are real, so we can say that discriminant equals to 0. Write the formula of discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to 0. C minus a whole square minus 4b minus c into a minus b is equals to 0. So we will remove the formula, remove the brackets and use the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, like this: c square plus a square minus 2ac, and minus 4 as it is. We will multiply ab, b square minus plus minus b square minus ac minus minus plus bc equals to 0. So we will multiply all the values of the bracket with 4 and get the answer here. And now we can see, my dear students, that we will arrange these values like a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 4ab minus 4bc plus 2ac. How we can say that 2ac? Because 4ac minus 2ac plus minus minus 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Now you can see that this is actually the form of the formula. Remember, keep one formula in your mind, that a plus b plus c whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, like this. But remember one thing, that you can observe that the values in which the b is involved, they will give the answer of in minus or negative value. It means the value of b is in negative, means negative value of b. So, and this is a square also, it means the value of b is minus 2b. So we will put negative sign whenever we have the value of b in this question. Like this: a square minus 2b square plus c square plus 2a first element, and the second element is minus 2b, and plus 2 second element and third element, plus 2 third and first element equals to 0. We will combine this and make in the formula form a minus 2b plus c equals to c whole square equals to 0. Since this is a perfect square, in case when the discriminant is a perfect square, then we can say that roots are the real, not imaginary. This is positive value. Okay, this is the end of our exercise 2.1.